Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your go, a destination for futuristic vehicle insights, in-depth reviews, and detailed feature breakdowns. In this video, we explore the innovative and bold 2026 BYD Motorhome, a fresh take on electric mobility that blends sustainable technology with next-level comfort for long-distance travel enthusiasts. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a standout in the growing world of eco-friendly RV. Designed with sleek, aerodynamic lines, it boasts a modern exterior highlighted by LED signature lighting, flush-mounted solar panels on the roof, and bold BYD branding. Its smart design is both stylish and functional, with a lightweight composite body that contributes to better range and energy efficiency. The wide panoramic windshield enhances forward visibility, while adaptive headlights adjust according to weather and road conditions. Under the hood, this motorhome features BYD's latest dual-motor electric drive system. With a combined output of over 480 horsepower and an all-wheel drive configuration, it offers smooth acceleration and confident handling even on tough terrain. Powered by BYD's signature blade battery technology, the motorhome delivers a range of approximately 400 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities allow 80% battery replenishment in under 40 minutes, making it ideal for cross-country travel. The regenerative braking system and multiple drive modes ensure a seamless blend of performance and efficiency. Inside, the BYD Motorhome delivers high-tech luxury in a spacious and ergonomic cabin. The interior includes a fully integrated digital cockpit with a rotating central display, wireless connectivity, voice-controlled systems, and ambient lighting. Seating is plush and flexible, easily converting into a lounge or sleeping area with memory foam mattresses and adjustable recline. The use of eco-friendly materials such as bamboo fiber panels and vegan leather reflects BYD's commitment to sustainability. The kitchenette is thoughtfully designed with induction cooking, a mini dishwasher, microwave oven, and smart refrigerator. There is also a compact but premium bathroom that includes a water-saving smart toilet and a mist-efficient shower. Smart climate control systems manage humidity and temperature automatically, while the built-in air purifier keeps the atmosphere fresh and allergen-free. Safety is a major highlight, featuring advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities make long road trips more relaxing and secure. For digital nomads and content creators, the motorhome includes a built-in workstation with high-speed satellite internet and adjustable LED lighting for video calls or editing on the go. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than a sustainable travel option, it's a mobile smart home engineered for the future. With its zero-emissions powertrain, intelligent design, and luxurious amenities, it offers a refined and responsible way to explore the open road. If you found this review informative and want more futuristic vehicle content, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. This is Auto Review Pro, where innovation meets the road.